Going to conduct the assembly. Myself, Ms. Sharayu Sushil Malve, is an anchor of today's assembly. Let's start our day with Almighty God. School, stand it is. Attention! Now I request to our Honorable Principal Sir to conduct photo pujan of late Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
Just come upside.
Join your hands, close your eyes and start the prayer. I call upon Miss Aradhya Modve for pledge.
We ready for the pledge and start the pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians. All Indians. Are my. Are my. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. And I am. Proud of. Proud of. History. History. And varied heritage. I shall. I shall. Always. Always. Try to be. Try to be. Worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall. I shall. Give my parents. Give my parents. Teachers. Teachers. And all elders. Respect. Respect. And treat everyone. Treat everyone. With courtesy. With courtesy. To my country. To my country. And my people. And my people. I pledge. I pledge. My devotion. My devotion. In their well-being. In their well-being. And prosperity. And prosperity. Alone life. Alone life. And my happiness. My happiness. Jai Hind.
School, sit down. Miss Vaishnavi Shinde is going to tell today's good thought. Please welcome.
Morning everyone. Today's good thought is for every minute you are angry, you lost 60 seconds of happiness. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. I call Ms. Shweta Ukide to tell importance of the day. Please welcome.
Good morning to all. Today's date is 6 December 2022 and day is Tuesday. Today's importance of the day are as follows. First, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar death anniversary. The day is observed to remember his unforgettable contribution to society and his achievements, who fought economic and social discriminations against his untouchability. Second, birth anniversary of Brijlal Vianney. The day is observed a prominent social and political activist. He was founder of educational and voluntary organization. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Shweta. Here is Ms. Ratha Murkute to give today's news headlines. Please welcome.
Good morning everyone. Today's date is 6 December and day is Tuesday. Today's news headlines are as follows. First news, international news. Imperative for India to monitor Pakistan amid natural ex-army officer. Second, national news. India Vishwagmarev in a 25 years says President Draupadi Murmu. Third news, state news. Twin sister from Maharashtra marry same man in a bizarre wedding. Fourth news, district news. Ahmednagar Shirdi National Highway to be overhauled at a cost of 750. Fifth news, sport news. Qatar World Cup spans and feet it Unal Simon's feet in a Morocco clash. Second news, sport news. Rohit Sharma loses cool at Rahul Sundari's fielding lapses. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Radha. I call Master Sarthak Ivande to ask GK questions. Please welcome.
Good morning to one and all. Today's GK questions are as follows. First question. Which is the least populated state in India? I repeat the question. Which is the least populated state in India? Answer is Sikkim. Second question. Which is the largest country in the world?
Russia.
Right answer. Third question. What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
Right answer. Fourth question. English is the official language of which Indian state?
Nagaland.
Right answer. Fifth question. Which is the largest river in the world? I repeat the question. Which is the longest river in the world?
Nile.
Right answer. Sixth question. Name the batsman made the highest individual score in Asia Cup.
Virat Kohli.
Right answer. Thank you, Avani.
Thank you, Sarthak. Today's story and moral of the story will tell by Saidip Gaikwad. Please welcome.
Good morning everyone. Myself Master Saidip Papasaheb Gaikwad. Today I am going to tell you little moral story. My story name is The Hungry Fox. Once upon a time there was a fox. He was very hungry. He saw a bunch of grapes. He hanging on a grape plant. He wanted the grapes. He jumped and jumped again, but he could not get the grapes. He said, grapes are sour, and he went away. The moral of the story is try, but don't cry. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Saidip. On the occasion of death anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, student from 8th B, Omkar Bankar, is going to express his feeling.
Good morning friends, my name is Omkar Mahendra Bankar. I am from 8P. I am going to deliver a speech about Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was popularly known as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He was trained as the father of the Constitution of India. His father name was Maloji Sakpal and his mother name was Bhimabai. He was the first law minister of India after independence. He wrote the constitution. He was he was the first law minister of India after independence. But Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was awarded by the Bharat Ratna in 1990. Thank you. Have a nice day.
From 9th B, Gandhi Khushi is going to express her feelings.
Respected principal, vice principal, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to one and all. Myself Miss Khushi Manoj Gandhi from standard 9B. Today is very special day when we remember one of the most popular sons of Mother India. Yes, it is none other than our own Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb was a jewel. His life was and is still an inspiration from a humble family background to becoming one of the India's greatest leaders and social reformers. There are few lesser known facts about Dr. Ambedkar that most of us don't know, and I would like to present them here. Dr. Ambedkar was the first Indian to pursue the doctorate of economics in foreign university. And not only that, but he was also the first person in South Asia to hold double doctorate in economics. Dr. Ambedkar was also instrumental in the establishment of Reserve Bank of India. He was economist par excellence and stated that nothing will stabilize its general purchasing power. Dr. Ambedkar also served as the member for Labour in Viceroy's Council from 1942 to 1946. He brought several labor reforms and reduced the working hours from 12 hours to 8 hours. He wrote a book on his life experiences and named it Waiting for a Visa, describing his experiences on untouchability. Sadly, the father of Constitution left for heavenly abode on 6 December 1956, leaving millions mourning the loss. From this stage, I would like to tell you, as long as you will remember him, you will also remember the fundamental changes that he brought to the nation and to the society. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Now I call birthday students come on the stage. Here we have two students' birthday, so Here we have three students' birthday, so let's wish them a very happy birthday by singing a birthday song. I request. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I request to our honorable principal sir to guide us.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are remembering Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar because this is a Remembrance Day. 6th of December, he passed to heavenly abode. But before passing to heavenly abode, the work which has done by him is still remembered, and it will be remembered for a long time. The Constitution of our country is a book which is a guideline book for us, where rules and regulations they are given to us, and we are following the rules and regulations. Whatever things is there, all the things are related to one law, and this law is very important. For everybody the law is there. For students the law is there. For human beings the laws are there. For land the laws are there. Everywhere the laws are there. And with that law only we are bound to each other. If that could have been not there, then it would have been very difficult for us. So that's why the work done by him we have to remember for a long time. That's all for today. Have a nice day.
School, stand up. Attention. Be ready for national anthem. Start the national